Most coaches and consultants over 40 look at social media and think, nah, it's not for me. But that thinking is quietly costing you clients, income and growth every single week. I've spent over 20 years as a TV camera operator with years of experience, and in this video I'll share the system I built to take my expertise into a business that now pays my mortgage. It also grows a business I actually enjoy without turning into someone I'm not. And no, you don't need 50 grand's worth of gear to start. In fact, posting regularly has made my offer 1,000 times stronger and given me a real edge over other creators. So here's the top 5 things I've learned so far on my journey and why they might surprise you. Number 1, what you start with won't be what you end up with. I mean, what you build at the start and try and sell won't be what you finish with. And that's a good thing. I thought I'd just teach people how to make nice looking videos and then get rich and go and sit in Dubai with all the other influencers. But that's not me. I didn't want that. At first, what I was selling, like a course, just wasn't selling because my heart wasn't in it. It didn't mean anything, which leads to number 2. Your content helps you discover who you really are. Chris Do says in a recent podcast that I listened to that to build a personal brand, you should go to therapy first, figure out who you are, and then put that out into the world. But I've found that short form content does exactly the same thing. Posting for a year taught me so much about who I am and what I stand for. It was amazing. It's called Your Noble Cause, or I call it Your Noble Cause, but you only find that out by showing up consistently and finding your own voice. Number 3, growing slowly sets you up for real growth. There are thousands of creators saying you need to go viral, but what happens when you get 1 million views and you're not ready? When you grow organically, you're ready for that growth when it comes. And when you get that breakthrough, you've already got the systems in place, which means you've got a sustainable business. If you want actionable tips every week from me, join my free email newsletter. Link is in the description. Number 4, pick one voice you trust. Once you start creating, your feed will be full of people saying you must post daily and others saying, well, that's complete nonsense. It's really noisy. So pick the creators who you really trust, who really resonate with you, follow their advice and block out the rest. It's hard, but it's also crucial. And number 5, stand for something. Don't just sell. If you stand for something and create genuinely useful content, you don't need to sell. I mean, the first time I got paid for my content, I had 39 TikTok followers. No sales page, no funnel, just someone who resonated with what I was saying and then contacted me and said, how can we work together? That is magical. If you want to learn how to turn your expertise into a business you actually love, watch this video next. Or to get free actionable advice into your inbox every Sunday, click the link in the description.